Alright, now we're riding the train back to Terminal D&E here in this video. And there's No Rain by Blind Melon. That's a cool song.
The airport luggage carts
train's
are
leaving.
not allowed on the subway train system. Please offload your luggage or use the pedestrian tunnel to continue.
This is what the train level looks like. Oh my gosh! Whoa! That does not sound so good at all. I'm just getting a little tour of the train level. Yep. These are the escalators too. Again, there's No Rain by Blind Melon. Yep, and this is your subway, Terminal C, and that's also your directory map too, where it's all the terminals as well as the hotel.
You are in Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail.
Yep.
Your next
I'm gonna stand right here so
will be
the people can get out.
and E.
Ustedes se encuentran en la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal D y E.
That's what the other speaker there. Alright. Now the train's here. Oh, are you... Okay. Okay, now we're gonna... Oh, here we go. Never mind. Just thought we were gonna be sitting for a little bit, but... Here we go now.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal D and E.
Ustedes se encuentran en la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal D y E.
Alright, now we are heading back to Terminal D&E. There's the parking elevator over there. Ooh, that's... Again, we're going pretty fast.
You are at Terminal D and E. Your next stop will be Terminal D.
Ustedes se encuentran en la terminal C y E. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal D.
Oh. You guys go ahead, I got the door. Okay, and now, yep, now there goes the train. Yep.
You are at Terminal D and E. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal D.
Okay, oh, okay. You know what, we can go down this old way again.
Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal C.
All right. And that's it.